Now let's talk about the feeling of the repairman. Um, every time you try to fix something, if you don't have the right tools and the right information, how to dismantle, how to take it out, the part defective or whatever, you'll be in the situation that you do more damage than good. So if you see all those machine-made especially electronics, that everything is packed into a small package with epoxy or plastic or ceramic. You cannot open a transistor and fix the emitter connection or base. That's not for you. Never think about it. So uh, the feeling you have is like a doctor that tried to do a heart surgery and they kill the person, and he feels, man, I cannot repair you now. I need another one to do another surgery. So one by one, he's gonna kill all people. You can't do that. You cannot buy all the transistors or circuit, try to fix them. So if you want to see what happened, just go to the emergency and ask to show you how a person dies, and you realize that uh, just seeing it's more difficult than suffering, because practically um, he has no nerves to feel pain at that situation. But for you just to see that, probably I never saw that, but I just imagine it's difficult. I heard stories from my sister and said, I just watched it. I walked out. I couldn't stay. Um, so most of the parts used in any industrial thing are so bound together that you cannot recycle directly. You have to melt it and separate it from there. So if you design something, just make it simple, just piece by piece, module by module. Don't replace everything. Give it a thought before you start. Make it recyclable. Um, what can I say? It's not easy to put everything together one day and run for 100 years. An engineer, like any human, um, it's a skill we learn from mistakes. As somebody said, if you work the circuit from the first time, you didn't learn anything. Uh, but once you start to repair your mistake, you realize that, yeah, this is what I did wrong, and you make sense of the theory you read and so on. So it's fun, but pay attention. I remember my cars, my old car having the shocks repaired. The guy used a torch and melted the support for the. I was thinking, man, if it's breaking down, what am I gonna do? Don't worry, just press the gas.